Okay, what you're looking at is part of a failed attempt to make a bow tie. That was supposed to be the neckband, and this was supposed to be the bow tie. Obviously, it's not really gonna look very good, so I think it's gonna stay at home. And this is what I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna get dressed, put some Velcro on my head, and we'll head out to the museum. So I'm in downtown Lafayette, and I decided to walk over to the Science Museum for Velcro Day. And as I said, I decided to walk, which was a bad idea. Ironically, it's also a vast wasteland day, and this town is, at least this part of the town, is kind of a vast wasteland. And just over here, as I was walking by, I don't know, I'm just gonna keep going, and I think I'll be taking an Uber back home. Crazy. Downtown Lafayette, Louisiana. So we have arrived. This is it. This is the Science Museum in Lafayette. Oh, this is super cool. And it's Velcro Day, so that's really appropriate because Velcro, of course, is very useful for floating astronauts in zero gravity. Just kind of cruising through here to give you guys an idea of what's in here. I don't think they're gonna have anything specifically about the development of Velcro. It's a pretty small museum. But yeah, we'll tool around, see what they got. Back behind me here is the table of elements. And I wonder if Velcro, yeah, I don't see it. Yeah, apparently Velcro is not an element. Bummer. I bet he could have used Velcro for something. More space stuff. Saturn project used Velcro extensively, I bet. More dinosaurs. And you know, I just realized something. I forgot that it's Leprechaun Day today. So I think I should really say things in a leprechaun voice.
Would you like to see some dinosaurs? I'm a wee leprechaun. Like that. There's a wee raptor after me Lucky Charms.
So it's 4 o'clock and the museum is closing at 6. And I'm looking for preferably a family or some children to help me put Velcro on my head and then do like a little quiz or something, and there's like nobody here. I've never been in a museum so empty. It's really weird. Oh, I hear some kids. Let's see if we can loop somebody into helping with my fasteners. Did you get that joke there? Hook and loop. I think they're downstairs. Ah, right, in the kids zone.
Hi, I'm Ayana Daly. This is my daughter.
Hi. Were you excited? Were you excited when I told you it was Velcro Day? It's Mother's Day today. Why don't you give your mom a hug or... Right on. Wow, you're good at this. Have you done this before? You do this every weekend, right?
Yeah, that's how we do.
Here, come on, stick it on.
Let's see if we can stick it on.
That's silly. Yeah, I like that look.
And it's handy if you need a pen, you know? Okay.
There you go.
Or even, you know what? Okay, stick it on there. Now, I need a pen, so I'm just gonna, I'll write something. Hi, Mom, it's Mother's Day, right? And then I'm done with the pen, so
And he sticks it back on.
there we go. Good to go.
Convenient.
Nice.
Yeah, it's pretty handy. Okay, we're gonna do a Velcro quiz with Angel. And is she gonna help?
Arizona.
Arizona? Love it. Raising Arizona, I guess you are, right? Okay, so here we go. It is National Velcro Day and Leprechaun Day. But I'm not gonna do that with all of it, that would be crazy. Okay, so let's see. Do you want easy, medium, or hard? Or super hard?
Medium.
Or like bone crushing hard? Medium?
Medium.
So weird. Okay, here we go. All right. Was the development of Velcro inspired by A, a dream, B, a drunken party idea, or C, a stroll in the mountains?
B.
A drunken party idea. I like the way you think, but you're wrong. It's C. It was a stroll in the mountains. What happened was this guy, whose name was A, Mike Myers, B, Jim Carrey, C, Candace Glover, or D, George de Mestral.
C.
Candace Glover? No. I'm sorry. I'll cool it down. I've got you on the extreme bone crushing hard level, so I'll dial it back a little. George de Mestral was a Swiss guy, and he was walking in the Alps one day in the mountains, and he discovered that something was sticking to his pants and his socks. Was it A, bugs, B, dog poop, or C, like little birds? You are right, it was birds. So he went, he took them home, and he was some kind of scientist because he invented other stuff. And he had at home A, a dishwasher, B, a microwave oven, or C, a microscope. Trick question, he had all those things probably, but yes, C is the important answer. He had a microscope. So he looked A, above the microscope, B, below the microscope, or C, through the microscope.
Through the microscope.
That was to even it up for those hard ones before. Okay, so he looked through the microscope and he saw A, little baby shoes, B, a museum curator, or C, little hooks and loops. Hooks and loops. Hooks and loops. And I gotta mix it up because I realize I'm always, every answer is a C, so I gotta change that up. So, you are, yeah, you're on to me. So he looks through the microscope, he sees these hooks and loops, and he has this great idea. He's going to try to commercialize this. He tries with cotton, and it turns out that's not the best idea. So then he discovers that nylon works really well because A, it tastes really good. B, when you expose it to infrared light, it makes little plastic hooks. Or C, it has superpowers that can make Velcro. B, you are correct. B. So he discovers that he can make these tiny little hooks with infrared light, and there you have Velcro. So, last question. Why is it called Velcro? Is it A, inspired by his dog, Velcro, or inspired by a childhood nickname, Velcro, or was it named after the company that developed the first samples of Velcro? C. I tricked you. I tricked you. I tricked you. Yes, it was C because the name of the company was Velcro something company. So they took those two syllables and made Velcro. So, did you like the quiz?
I did.
Good. And you know your prize? Velcro. Here. You can take one of each or two of each, and then you can, like, you know, stick them together. Right. Just don't eat it. Not tasty. Thank you so much. Wow, thank you. No, she changed her mind. She heard me talking about how good it tastes. All right, till next time.
Happy Velcro Day.
All right, that's good. We're done. Thank you so much. That's awesome. That was great. So So I came into the bathroom and wouldn't you know it, I came into this stall. The lock isn't working. It won't lock properly. So I thought, if I'm a good Samaritan with a head full of Velcro, I'm just gonna peel a couple of these off. And then I'll stick the hooks on top of the loops. Close the door. And, okay, well, maybe that wasn't the best idea. Oh well, the Velcro works really well. It was a good idea, it wasn't Velcro's fault. It's that damn glue. Or to put it in Leprechaun terms, it's the damn glue. I think we need a National Glue Day to celebrate better glue. I'm gonna leave these Velcro stickers on here too. The cleaning staff are gonna come in here and wonder what the hell was going on. What kind of dinkus was in here thinking he could close the door with some Velcro stickers? And of course, you and I know that dinkus is me. Anyway, happy Velcro Day. Till next time, you're watching Daily Dinkus. Good night. So you got another Velcro fan here.
Right.
He's doing himself up. Yeah, like I said, if you want some loops, yeah, those are the hooks. If you want some loops, just grab them off me, man.
I think these would be good.
I got you.
Right on. That's awesome. Doing it up for Velcro Day, right?
Velcro Day.
Velcro eyebrows.
Right on. I should have thought of that, man. Where were you 2 hours ago, dude?
Right here.
Damn. That's awesome.
Velcro unibrow. You got one more side.
Are they sticking right?
Looking stylish, man.